Quarantine? Check.
그래서 된 장을 30cm 정도 잘라냈습니다.
그렇게 많이요?
지금부터는 약물치료를 좀 병행하면서 좀 지켜봐야 될 것 같습니다.
저기요.
네?
저 수술 동의서쓸 때 얘기 듣기로는 2시간이나 그 이상 걸릴 수 있다 그랬는데 1시간 반보다 더 일찍 나오시길래 훨씬
수술 시간은 크게 의미 없습니다. 최선을 다했고요. 수술 자체는 아무 문제 없이 잘 끝났습니다.
고맙습니다.
이 병원에서 꽤 유명합니다. 실력도 좋은데다 가끔 외상도 해주고 그러거든요. 그러시
I want to buy some ice cream. Oh no, outside a lot of virus. It's so boring, guys. I think I want to make ice cream. Yeah.
Hello guys, my name is Nurul Halisda. I am from Medical Recon 2. Today I will make video about home creative. Home creative is activity where you can do it even if it's at home. Now, a world pandemic is coronavirus. So, stay at home and take care of your health.
Quarantine and chill today.
Yeah, that's right. You are at home don't mean you can lie down. And you can help your parents or make activities so it is not boring. In this video, I will make tutorial about how to make ice cream without freezer. And love it.
Yes, that's really nice to try.
Yes, when finished. Why did I make this video? Because this video is assignment from my beautiful lecturer, Miss Amrita Zuhra. And this video will tell you who want to make ice cream without freezer. And certainly don't need a lot of money. First, you must prepare tools to make ice cream. Spoons, large spoons, trays, zinc jar, and cup. And next, you must prepare ingredients. There are 1/4 kilogram sugar. To bake pop ice, I use pop ice chocolate base, coconut milk that has been cooked, ice cubes, and salt. First, mix sugar and pop ice into coconut milk. Then stir until smooth. Next, prepare tray and ice cubes and salt. If done, you turn into cups made of sinjar. Rotate sinjar on ice cubes 30 minutes or until they'll become ice.
Okay guys, this is ice cream without freezer. I have to move to it. This ice cream is very soft, very delicious, and certainly cheap. Okay guys, until here my vlog because I want to eat this ice cream. Okay guys, if you have work outside, take care of your health and please stay at your home if you are not outside interest. Better to prevent than to cure. Let's fight COVID-19.